Hey and welcome. In this session, we want to speak about ethical aspects of AI. Before I start with defining what ethical aspects we actually want to consider when we create AI, I want to give some motivation why it is important to speak about ethical aspects. Maybe some of you remember that, for example, a few years ago, 70,000 people here in Sweden did not get their unemployment allowance due to a fault in an algorithm of AI. And also there was a rather dramatic failure, IBM Watson Oncology, a system which can maybe cure cancer or at least predict the measures to be taken in order to cure cancer. It did some wrong decisions and gave dangerous treatment advices. And the algorithm was trained on too small data, and typically data where quite severe cases of cancer were there. And it was good that it was only a human assistance system, so the doctor finally made the decision and it only gave some advices. Good aspects, of course, of that systems could maybe reason why it came to some conclusion, and then the doctors could object. Another quite famous example is the chatbot Tai. That's actually already 5 years ago, but maybe you heard about that. It's a chatbot which was developed by Microsoft and released, one would say, too early, because it was like picturing, I think, 16, 17-year-old teenage girl speaking about how nice the world is. So just text messages, oh, and I like lying in the sun and whatsoever. But it was trained to interact with the humans. So if humans say something, it would maybe take over some ideas and some of the concepts the humans say. And the humans tried out some not so nice things like I love Hitler and whatsoever. And after 24 hours, they had to switch off the chatbot because it was so corrupted, being a quite freaky Hitler-loving girl. That was quite dangerous. And one saw, if there are really no ethical concepts integrated in the AI, and there are people around who want to make it harmful, then the AI can become a quite dangerous tool, and actually in other areas also a quite dangerous weapon. Another aspect was an AI for recruitment used by Amazon, and they used all the applications from the past and identified which could be the top candidates. However, most of the workers at Amazon at that time in the tech team were white young males. And then applications from other people who were not male, not white, and maybe not young, they didn't have any chance, even though they were highly skilled, because the AI was biased to predict good person just based on the simple features, white, young, and male. So there was a very big unwanted bias in the AI. And all of these are aspects we have to consider.